can find book. Good morning. This is Peppa Pig's room, and George's too. It's a little bit messy. Will you help Peppa find these toys and tidy up? Peppa loves going to playgroup. Today is Arts and Crafts Day. While Peppa paints, find and point to these classroom objects. Hop, hop, hop. Peppa plays hopscotch with her friends and then twirls a hoop while she waits for her turn. See if you can spot these other things to play with. Playing makes Peppa extra hungry. Come into the kitchen and get ready for dinner by finding these yummy things to eat and drink. Peppa and her friends are practicing a play. While they try on different costumes, look for these fun props and decorations. Daddy Pig is a bit of an expert at storytelling. Look around as he reads to Peppa and George and try to find these family photos. Peppa Pig loves muddy puddles. Remember, if you are jumping up and down in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Hats are useful too, when it's chilly. Will you help Peppa and her friends find these? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.